For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a circular saw that's slow and inaccurate? You struggle with making precise cuts on your woodworking projects? Well, today I'm going to show you why the DeWalt DWE575SB Circular Saw is not just another tool in your workshop, but a game changer /N. But here's what surprised me about this saw. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, yet packs a punch with its 15-amp motor /N. Therefore, I'm excited to dive deeper into the features that make this saw stand out from the competition. Deep dive approx. 900 words. Let's start with the design of the DeWalt DWE575SB. It has a slim and ergonomic body that fits perfectly in your hand, reducing fatigue during long work sessions. /N. This is achieved through DeWalt's proprietary Comfort Grip technology, which provides a secure hold even when handling smaller pieces. /N. But don't let its size fool you. This saw is built for heavy-duty use with a robust metal base and durable components. One of the standout features of the DWE575SB is its 7-to-1/2-inch blade capacity. This allows for a wide range of cutting applications, from ripping through hardwood to making precise crosscuts. /N. Therefore, whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this saw has got you covered. /N. The included dust port also ensures efficient dust collection, keeping your workshop clean and minimizing exposure to airborne particles. In terms of performance, the DeWalt DWE575SB delivers. Its 15-amp motor provides ample power for even the toughest cutting tasks, while its electronic speed control allows for precise speed adjustments on the fly. /N. But what really sets this saw apart is its reliability. With a durable design and high-quality components, you can trust it to get the job done time after time. I also want to highlight some of the convenience features that make working with the DWE575SB a breeze. The included carrying case provides protection during transport, while the integrated hang hook keeps your saw organized in your workshop. /N. Therefore, whether you're storing it on a wall or taking it to a job site, this saw is always ready when you need it. Some users may be concerned about the DWE575SB's price point. However, considering its exceptional performance and durability, I believe it offers great value for the money. /N. The included 30-day satisfaction guarantee also provides peace of mind, allowing you to try out the saw risk-free. Now let's talk about some of the key specs that set this saw apart from others in its class. /N** weight, only 8.2 pounds. Blade capacity, 7-to-1/2 inches. Motor, 15 amp. Speed control, electronic speed control. Dust collection, integrated dust port. But here's what I think is most important. The DeWalt DWE575SB isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your productivity and safety. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable circular saw that will get the job done with ease, look no further. Resolution approx. 200 words. In conclusion, after putting the DeWalt DWE575SB through its paces, I'm convinced it's one of the best circular saws on the market. /N. But don't just take my word for it. Check out some of the customer reviews and ratings below to see what other users have to say about this saw. /N. The included link in the description will also take you directly to Amazon, where you can find the best price available. So what are you waiting for? Order your DeWalt DWE575SB today and start experiencing the benefits of a high-performance circular saw that's designed to last.